Mr. Faisal, what is your opinion on this? I mean, do you agree that the quote "a little goes a long way" in terms of living sustainably?
Well, in terms of living sustainably, right, we have to look at that is the core itself. The core structure of the whole idea of living sustainably is like looking how we can improve one step at a time. Now, a lot of people in their zero waste journey is like tend to fail is like because they tend to adopt a bigger broad structure. So when they adopt a bigger broad structure of the whole idealistic of the zero waste, they're they are not able to actually progress themselves. So they decided to stop, or they just it's not worth it. But I think it's like the Malay proverb, sikit-sikit lama-lama jadi bukit. It's a good way to really reflect on the zero waste journey. Things that we started on the small scale first, right? We started to say, let's say, for example, we decided to say no to plastic bags first. We get used to it. Once we get used to it, we improve. Maybe that the next step is we are taking our own containers. Then we start to look into the next level of like buying in bulk or package free, then managing the waste. So it really depends where you are in your life.
Yeah.
So it does kind of like give an impact. So even a small skills, it will lead. And that's how I would say my own experience in journey, 4 years. For me to reach a complete zero waste, it took me 2 years, right? 2 years to really understand what steps do I need, what is the challenges, how do I manage my waste, how do I separate, segregate, how do I do my own home composting, what is the best recycling programs out there, and where to get all the items right now.
Yeah.
And that has kind of like lead me to a 4 years sustaining a zero waste lifestyle to now, and advocating is like understanding all this area. So yes, all these small little acts will lead to more and more and